A fast, easy way using Dawn and vinegar to make a great cleaner. Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another homemade cleaner. We're going to make the stuff they call a miracle cleaner. This is a great bathroom cleaner. It works great on showers, bathtubs, shower doors, and even toilets and around the toilet area. So I'm going to show y'all in today's video how to make this great cleaner everybody calls miracle cleaner. So let's get started. The recipe actually calls for half vinegar and half Dawn. In my opinion, that's too much Dawn, but you can try it. But I'm telling you, you'll have bubbles for days. So I'm going to be using today 1/3 cup of Dawn to 3/4 cup of white vinegar. So let me show you how to mix this up and how simple it is, easy it is to make a homemade cleaner so you don't have to buy that store-bought expensive stuff. This recipe will help you save money on your cleaning products, and it'll save you time because it works great. You can clean it once and be done. Okay, we're going to go with 3/4 cup of white vinegar. And it does recommend using white vinegar. Don't use the apple cider vinegar. Or at least we hadn't ever. You might could give it a try if that's all you have. Okay, there's our 3/4 cup of white vinegar. And now we've got to measure out 1/3 cup of our blue Dawn. Bubbles. And now we're just going to pour that in our vinegar. We'll use the rest of what's left in there to wash our dishes with. And now we'll just take our spoon and give that a mix. And see what a pretty blue color you wind up with. The vinegar and the Dawn, just give it a good mix and get it incorporated good. That Dawn mixed in the vinegar. And now we're going to take this bottle and I'm going to pour this in my bottle. Now if you had one of those little scrubbers with the little thing that holds your soap, you could put it in there and scrub your showers with it. But I don't have one, so I'm just going to put mine in this bottle right here and try not to make a mess. And you can leave this in your bathroom and just every time you go through, especially if you've got a lot of kids in the bathroom and they make a big mess, just spray it down with this once they get finished. If they've been outside and they've got grass stains all around your bathtub, that's how my boys used to be. You can use this just to spray it down with and scrub it and rinse it right off. It works good on your shower doors. A fast, easy way using Dawn and vinegar to make a great cleaner. And if y'all do not like the smell of vinegar, you could add a few drops of essential oils to it, whichever you have. Use what you got. You could even add a couple drops of lemon juice to it, and it'll give it a citrus smell if you don't have essential oil. Okay, y'all, that's our video on how to make the Blue Miracle Cleaner. If you like our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, and share our videos. Thanks for watching. And if you hadn't subscribed, you might consider hitting the red button down below. We have a lot of videos to share. And we hope these videos help you save some money also. Thanks for watching.